Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Manami. 皆さんこんにちは、Manami です。So I haven't posted any videos recently because I've been so busy and some little thing happened to me, so I couldn't post any videos for like last couple weeks. Today is Saturday and what is that noise? I'm just eating my kind of breakfast or like snacks right now. And today pretty much I think I'm gonna clean and do laundries, and I did some laundries already. And I've been eating the cheese. And I got this from Trader Joe's. It's a new cheddar cheese spread. And it's so addicting. They have the cheese. I'm almost done with this cheese, but this cheese is pretty good. And I've been eating this almost every day. I know it's so bad. So I'm gonna make blueberry muffins. This is the crumble that I put on top of my muffins, so it comes out, the top part comes out really crunchy and nice. バターは私は結構このブランド使ってます。I put the pure vanilla extract. I used the regular one as well, but once in a while, I think once a year, Trader Joe's have vanilla bean paste, or you can buy it like on Amazon, just the regular vanilla bean paste. I like to use the paste on top of it, so it will taste better. I think it came out pretty good. Whoop. Like this. So I have the tulip baking cups. This is the one I always use when I make muffins because these cups are really pretty. Okay. So I found this muffin recipe on TikTok actually, and I've been loving making these muffins because it's actually hard to fail this recipe. And I know this is a lot of steps, but it comes out really good. Look at these muffins. Ooh, so these are the chocolate and these are the blueberry muffins. I think it came out really good. It smells so good. Then I went to farmer's market with my friend and we got some bagels and it was pretty good. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye!